Children, let us do today some sums of trigonometry. These are the trigonometrical identities which we have to remember in our mind before solving the questions. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And some of the formulas which has to be remembered in our mind. These will be useful while doing the sums. So let us do the sums, children. First one, sin theta plus cos theta the whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta the whole square. Here we have e is equal to 2, LHS equal to RHS we have to prove. So let us first take the LHS. It is not compulsory that always LHS has to be taken. We have to take according to our convenience and solve. So LHS sin theta plus cos theta the whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta the whole square. Solve it, children. This is in the manner of algebraic identity a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. That gives us a plus b the whole square gives us as a square plus b square plus 2ab, and similar manner a minus b the whole square gives us a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here also in the same manner, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, open the brackets, and even this as a minus b the whole square gives us sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So this gives us plus and minus of the same terms cancel. Sin square theta plus sin square theta gives us 2 sin square theta, and cos square theta plus cos square theta gives us 2 cos square theta. Now from these two terms we can take 2 common. We are left with sin square theta plus cos square theta, and the identity we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we understand the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is equal to the RHS what we have as 2, hence LHS is equal to RHS, proved. Let us take one more similar one, given as 1 plus sin theta the whole square plus 1 minus cos theta the whole square is equal to 3 plus 2 sin theta minus cos theta. Let us take the left hand side, children. Left hand side, 1 plus sin theta the whole square plus 1 minus cos theta the whole square. This is a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square as we had the algebraic identity. So open the brackets, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and in the similar manner a minus b the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So what do you get in this? Write it down first. 1 plus sine square theta plus 2 sine theta plus 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta. So bring all the like terms together. 1 plus 1 plus sine square theta. Bring cos square theta along with it. It will give you an identity. Plus 2 sine theta minus 2 cos theta, where you can take 2 common. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Plus take 2 common. You are left with sine theta minus cos theta. Here the identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So hence 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 2 sine theta minus cos theta, that is equal to RHS, hence proved. Because LHS is equal to RHS, proved. Alright, let us go to one more question. Question number 3, taken as 1 plus tan theta the whole square plus 1 minus tan theta the whole square is equal to 2 sec square theta. Children, let us take the left hand side. Left hand side gives us 1 plus tan theta the whole square plus 1 minus tan theta the whole square. This is in the form of a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. That gives us a plus b the whole square, the algebraic identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b the whole square gives us a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can use both over here. Let us open the brackets. A square plus b square plus 2ab and a minus b the whole square as a square plus b square minus 2ab. So what it gives us, 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta plus 1 again tan square theta minus 2 tan theta. Here 2 tan theta plus 2 tan theta and minus 2 tan theta gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta gives us 2 tan square theta. Let us take 2 common. We are left with 1 plus tan square theta, and 1 plus tan square theta gives us 6 square theta. Why? Because 1 plus tan square theta, we have the trigonometrical identity equal to 6 square theta is equal to RHS, hence LHS equal to RHS Proved. Let us go for the fourth one, given to us as 1 plus cot theta the whole square plus 1 minus cot theta the whole square is equal to 2 cosec square theta. Same manner children, a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. So take the LHS, 1 plus cot theta the whole square plus 1 minus cot theta the whole square. Open the brackets, a square plus b square plus 2ab and a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it gives us 1 plus cot square theta plus 2 cot theta children. 2 into 1 2 cot theta plus 1 the square 1 plus cot square theta minus 2 cot theta. So positive and negative cancels. Bring the like terms together. You will get it as 2 plus 2 cot square theta. Take the 2 common. You are left with 1 plus cot square theta. That gives us 2 cosec square theta, as 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta, the identity, trigonometrical identity. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. This is equal to RHS. Hence LHS equal to RHS. Proved. Now let us go for the next question, taken as tan theta plus cot theta the whole square minus tan theta minus cot theta the whole square is equal to 4. In the same manner, the algebraic expressions, identities, a square plus b square plus 2ab and other one a minus b the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Let us take the LHS. LHS is given to us as tan theta plus cot theta the whole square minus tan theta minus cot theta the whole square. This is a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. So let us see, a square plus b square plus 2ab. In the same manner, the other one, put the brackets because there is a minus sign, the signs will change. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So open the brackets children. Tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta cot theta minus tan square theta minus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta cot theta. When you multiply minus sign inside, the positive becomes negative and the negative becomes positive. So plus tan square theta minus tan square theta cancel, plus cot square theta minus cot square theta cancel, and you are left with 2 tan theta cot theta plus 2 tan theta cot theta. That will give you 4 tan theta cot theta, and here again children 4 tan theta multiplied by 1 upon tan theta, because we have the formula as tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So tan theta gets cancelled. We are left with 4, that is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Let us see the sixth one, children. Sixth one, what it says: tan theta plus cot theta is equal to sec theta cosec theta. Children, let us take the left hand side first, given to us as tan theta plus cot theta. So here let us first take the formulas for tan theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. As we do have tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Now take the LCM, children. Cross multiply, you will get as cos theta sin theta. Now again cross multiply, so you will get as sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now you can see sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, as we know the trigonometrical identity. So you have to write it in the brackets: sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now separate it, children. You can write as 1 upon cos theta multiplied by 1 upon sin theta. This separation can only be done when there is a multiplication sign. If there is an addition sign, you cannot separate in this manner. Now 1 upon cos theta is nothing but sec theta, and 1 upon sin theta is cosec theta. So that has to be put in the brackets. 1 upon cos theta is sec theta and 1 upon sin theta is cosec theta. So this is equal to RHS, hence LHS is equal to RHS, proved. So let us take another question given as 1 plus tan theta upon cot theta is equal to 6 square theta. Let us take the LHS. 1 plus tan theta upon cot theta. Children, let us add it first. What do we get? Cot theta as in the denominator as LCM. So cross multiply cot theta plus tan theta. Now let us convert everything into sine and cos. Cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sine theta plus tan theta can be written as sine theta upon cos theta whole upon cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sine theta. So write the formulas in the brackets. Cot theta is equal to cos upon sine and tan is equal to sine upon cos. So what do we get, children? Do the addition in the numerator. Take the LCM. That gives us sine theta cos theta and cross multiply. So you'll get as cos square theta plus sine square theta whole upon cos theta upon sine theta. Now solve it. Cos square theta plus sine square theta upon sine theta cos theta. Take the reciprocal because it is being divided. When it is being divided, children, and we can convert it into multiplication by taking the reciprocal, and this, let us rearrange it. That will be much more easier for us. Sine theta upon cos theta, that sine theta will get cancelled and we are left with sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 upon cos theta, and cos theta gives us cos square theta. So here sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Hence 1 upon cos square theta is sec square theta, as we know 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. That is equal to RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Proved.